Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to allow customer to print invoices on my account order section in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in my account page and order section. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write print invoice and delivery notes for WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings. So click on it. So we are in WooCommerce setting and then you see multiple tabs. So click on invoice tab and then scroll down, you see multiple options, general, template. Now you see logo, so you can add logo size, name we added web task with Hassan, address, complimentary clause, policies, footer. So you can add all this information according to requirement, and then scroll down, you see pages and button, print page endpoint, print order, email, enable both option. Now you see my account, show print button on view order page, show print button on my account page. So we enable this option, and then you see store PDF file for X days, now 7. So we select template default and then click on save changes, and then scroll up, you see template, so click on it and then scroll down, you see invoice, enable invoice. So this is our invoice preview. Now you see numbering, if you want you can enable this, email attached to enable, so you can add email here, and then you see remaining option not enabled because we are using default template. If you want to enable this option, then you can select simple template from setting. Now you see change the template from default to simple from the general setting to enable customization, and then click on save changes. Now go to my account page and refresh the page, and then you see order section, so click on it and then you see all order we have. Now you see action view, also you see print button. Now click on print. Now you see print preview loading, you see all information. If you want you can print this file, or if you want you can save this as PDF. Now you see, so it's up to you. Now open any order. So we are in order detail and then scroll down, you see print button. Now click on it. So you can print or save PDF for order invoices according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.